Thank you very much, Presiding Officer. Well, many of us have been on our bikes today as the Leonard Cheshire Disability Charity invites members to ride an exercise bike as far as we can in 100 seconds. I was pleased to top the table briefly, but that was the advantage of being one of the first to take part. Now, the charity was highlighting the importance of exercise for people with disabilities, and today I want to talk to you about another sport that gives people with disabilities the chance to keep fit and to compete at the highest level.
We'll be taking part in the Wheelchair Rugby League World Cup in France next month. They take on Australia in their first match. The last time they met at the World Cup, they beat them 25-16 on their way to an overall third place in the tournament. And that's the first time Wales has beaten Australia in any form of full international rugby league. Managed by Mark Andrew Jones, they're based at Deeside, but draw players from across Wales. Their current Celtic Cup champions were runners-up in the 2017 Four Nations. But apart from the sporting challenge, it's quite a task raising enough funds to represent Wales at this level. Earlier this year, it was feared they wouldn't be able to go to the World Cup for lack of money. Through self-funding and donations from local businesses and the North Wales Crusaders, they're just about able to do it. But they need backing and sponsors, and disability sport deserves and needs this backing. And after all, we're hoping that this World Cup could be as expensive as it could possibly be for them, with Wales hopefully staying in France right till the competition ends. Good luck. Pob lwc.